find them. They're supposed to be here for the smoothie video. Yeah, I don't know where they are. They could be anywhere. I haven't seen them.
Honestly, I don't know either.
Oh, I hear something. Oh, it's Blake.
Oh,
Where's Caden? Oh, there he is. Oh yeah, he broke his legs.
look,
Yeah, the warheads really did a number on him.
it's Blake and the warhead guy. Grandpa!
What model lawnmower is this? Is this the new one? Grandpa, are you hungry? Yeah. What are you hungry for? Yeah, I want a big milkshake. Okay, we'll get you this. Hey, Lawnmower fam.
What's up, Lawnmower fam?
We're
here with
hungry.
Ryan, Blake,
Caden, Lawnmower.
this guy,
And Garrett.
Kevin too.
Yeah, he's here to
Alright. So, this Thanksgiving milkshake, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add Thanksgiving leftovers to a blender. We're gonna blend it all up and make a milkshake out of it.
Yeah,
So
really
here we
hungry.
go. What should we start with, Blake?
I say we start with a good base, with pie.
Yeah, let's add some pie. Let's grab some of this.
Gordon Ramsay would be proud.
Then we grab the apple pie, put that in there too.
I'll put a pickle in there. Alrighty. And then
Okay.
just one pickle. And then you
No,
gotta go with
Can I
biscuit.
have it? Can I have some?
Yeah, go for it. Is it yummy?
Seems pretty good.
Excuse me.
Okay.
So we add,
Add them pickles. Add some room pickles.
it's silly. It's silly, goofball.
Shut up.
Alright. Grab the pickle. Plop that bad boy in there.
Dump some in there.
Let's add some,
Oh God.
let's add some
I mean,
juice.
I'm really hungry.
I'm so hungry. I
Here's
love
some flavor.
I love Thanksgiving.
Alright, guys. Next, we got our biscuit. Okay. Can't forget the biscuit.
The biscuit. I don't know how this is gonna work.
Limp biscuit joke. Limp biscuit.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah, you
Thank
like
you.
that? You like that?
Okay, put it in before you eat it. Okay, that's good.
Get in there.
Alright.
Alright. No, not milk yet.
And then
Alright, so right here, we got sweet potatoes, stuffing. That's not yams. Those aren't yams. Those are sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
And we got stuffing, green bean casserole, and mashed potatoes. So what we're gonna do, let's pop that stuffing in there. And some of those sweet potatoes. Oh, there goes Ryan. And we add our green bean casserole. You know, mama's recipe. It's my mama's recipe.
2 out of 10 lawnmowers. Or 2 out of 10 lead wagons. You should have warmed it up to us.
Not yet. You're gonna add the potatoes. Okay. There we go. So, right now, what we're gonna do, just to make more space, we're gonna add a little bit of milk.
A little bit.
Yeah, have some of that.
Let me get some. Let me get some.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you get some. Hey.
Hey, stop. You're gonna drink the whole goddamn thing. Yeah, Kevin.
Yeah, my man. Alright, let's add some milk. You're gonna be good. Camera picture, I'm sorry.
So good.
Alright.
So good.
There we go. Yeah.
A little bit more. A little more.
And hey! Not yet.
Yeah, whipped cream. We didn't. Did we put whipped cream?
No, we need to put some pickle in. We gotta put some pickle juice.
Did we not put whipped cream in there? What do we do? Put it on the top of the
Yeah.
scoop? Oh my God.
It's what a milkshake is, Ryan. Alright, then we do this. Tighten that.
This is our first time
Alrighty,
using this
guys.
machine.
Right.
Look at this thing. Yeah.
Alright,
Put it up close to the camera.
This is the first blending. We're doing this to make more space.
Perfect.
So what we do, lock it on there. Alright, you gotta shake it. Shake this bad boy, Blake.
Oh my God.
You bet close up.
It looks like fry sauce.
This is the hidden recipe for Chick-fil-A sauce.
All you gotta do now is put some grass on.
Can we pause quickly so I can piss?
So, let's open this up. Let's see what we got going on.
Tears of
Oh
joy.
yeah. Looks like we got some fry sauce, guys. Get away from me! Ah! Give it to me! Don't vomit! Don't vomit! That was kind of good, actually.
Let me smell it. Let me get a whiff.
You get a whiff of that.
It smells like deviled eggs and pickles. It's not that bad.
It's really not that bad. Honestly, it smells like pickles.
Not that bad.
Okay.
Honestly, probably a 6 out of.
Already out of it. I think the smell is a solid 7 out of 10. Lawnmower.
Ryan, what are your?
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm gonna have to give it 9 grasshoppers out of 10 lawnmowers.
All right, and Blake, what is your thoughts?
Honestly, I'm sitting in a 5 out of 10 right now. 5 out of 10 lawnmowers.
Hey, Kevin, how about you?
Oh, he hasn't spelled shit.
Hey, what about you, Kevin? What do you think?
With that smile, we know he likes it.
No. So what we're gonna do, guys? Blake's out of it. What you're gonna do, guys?
You're gonna add your deviled egg.
I don't think we should add the deviled eggs.
No, we gotta add the deviled eggs.
Wait, we did. I smelled it in there. We didn't add it in.
No,
Oh, okay.
that was the dill pickle.
Sorry, guys.
Only one, Caden. Only one.
No, we need 2.
No, only one.
Please, only one.
There's only 2. There's already too much. Just put only one. Here, I'll eat that.
Here, Ryan's gonna eat the other one.
All right, let's get a close up. Ryan's gonna eat the smushed double egg.
I'll have a. I'm not gonna eat it. Oh, it's pretty good actually.
Yeah, my mama made it. It's my mama's recipe.
I'll give it 1 out of 10.
Alright,
1 out of 10.
there we go.
We're doing turkey last.
Turkey last?
Turkey last.
I think we should add a little bit of gravy.
Got some cranberry.
I don't think I've ever had cranberry.
That's gonna change the
entire color of it.
Here.
I've never even had cranberry. No, I'm not. I've never had cranberry.
Blake, cranberries are good. Here.
Is it good? It got on your shirt.
She's dead.
That's why I wore this shirt, because this shirt's already terrible.
Alright. Let's add some cranberries.
Very bitter. Man, I got that puke hole. Look at this. I need to go.
Wait, show that again.
It's a puke hole.
Okay.
Save it for later. Alright. Now, could I add some of this gravy?
It's so much.
Gotta shake it up, you know? Oh, there we go.
Get a good look at that.
Guys, look what I found.
Hey, it's gonna.
Is it bad?
I don't like cold gravy, dude.
That smells like cat food.
Stop! Oh my
There we go.
god.
Hey,
Come on,
You're
Kaden.
gonna have some good mashed. You're gonna have some good gravy with that, dude.
Dude, the only thing that can make this worse is if you put like an energy drink, like the Sonic thing in there or something.
Alrighty,
So we got a monster. Okay, so we got the ghost pepper cheese.
From W.
WSU. Okay, let's get a. I'm gonna try a little bit of this. You want to try some?
Get the middle bite. Get the middle bite.
Pretty good. It's pretty good.
Just took a.
Dude, this is kind of spicy, so.
Don't actually. I was kidding.
Have some more. There we go.
Yeah, just a couple pieces.
Just a couple pieces.
Are you serious right now? That's spicy.
Well, the milk's gonna.
And guys. Oh, it's gonna fix it. Yeah,
dude.
The pieces of the resistance. Turkey. Okay, we don't got ham. You know,
Don't got ham.
The spice is gonna go right out, Caden.
Shut up.
We're gonna throw up everywhere.
Okay.
We had a three.
Put some of that in there. There we go, guys. And lastly, final ingredient, more.
Milk. It might be
More
too
of it.
full, but
Well, no, we have one more special ingredient.
What's our other ingredient? No, whipped cream goes on top.
yeah, the eggs go on top. No, not anymore.
Ready? Here we go.
It's spewing.
Oh shit, it is good.
We're gonna be spewing.
You gotta tighten it, Blake. You didn't have it tight enough.
This is my nice jacket.
When you wear your nice
Why are
jacket,
you
then
wearing
take off your nice jacket. Take off your clothes, Blake. Come on. You gotta strip Blake down. Alright, guys. Here we are. Here we are, guys. Hey guys, actually.
Oh my god, it's so thick.
Hey guys, I'm actually busy. I have to actually go. Alright guys. No, not yet. No, we need one more. More? Okay. Look at the top. Okay.
It has a max line, Caden.
I know. Alright guys.
No, we get the max. It's fine.
So, we're gonna start pouring.
We actually went 200%.
Can we smell it first?
Yeah, do you?
All smell it at the same time while it's in our cups.
So yeah, let's smell it at the same time what's in our cups. So, hey Blake, give me your.
Good idea. Stop. Stop.
Okay. It's good.
We have to drink all of that.
It's not a lot.
I'm not drinking the whole thing. Actually, putrid. I'm gonna piss my pants.
Okay, there might not be a lot for you.
Oh, it's okay, Kaden. Oh, phooey.
Ah,
Oh man, I was
Here.
hungry.
fuck me.
Alright guys, so there's Garrett.
I
Now,
have the most.
here, fine, this will be mine. Fine, okay? Here,
Yes,
hey, give me your cup.
hummus.
Give me your cup, okay? We gotta add some whipped cream,
Fuck me.
okay?
I think that's it.
I'm spewing into here.
You know, guys, it's not that bad.
Oh, Garrett, it's your lucky day. It looks like you're
Why
gonna.
did you add the eggs? Oh, you idiot.
Seems like you got some more. It's your lucky day.
Guys, I got some more.
Alright. Alright, guys, ready?
Where do we throw up? No one told me.
Here.
We have to run. We're like, oh shoot.
Okay, here we go, guys. Ready?
Cheers, cheers.
Alright,
Till we
cheers,
smell.
guys. Cheers. Cheers to Thanksgiving.
Lily! We have a co-star.
Where do we throw up? Where do we throw up? I wanna go home. I see those.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Hold on, I'm gonna go in.
Come on, go in for more. Just a little bit.
Get this away from me. God.
Oh my god.
Why did you go in for more?
Because it's good.
I was hungry. It's coming out of both ends, dude. My pants are going down. I'm still hungry.
Go for another one, Blake. Go in for more.
Hell no.
Get some there.
Why? Why is it
Oh, I'll have some there.
Yeah, Gary, you want some?
Yeah, here.
So we got Gary here. He's gonna have some.
Hold on, it's gonna take a second.
Oh, here. We'll share with you. You know, Thanksgiving is about being thankful. Here.
Thank you.
Here, Gary.
Oh!
Here you go. I got on your shirt.
Oh, I'm gonna get the napkin.
Honestly, 7 out of 10 lawnmowers. I'm gonna go in for seconds.
Of course you are.
Honestly, that one was definitely a 5 out of 10 lawnmowers.
Blake, what's your rating on the lawnmower scale?
Definitely not as good.
Shit. 10 out of 10 lawnmowers. We'll try. You know what? We are gonna try again.
I already took seconds.
Here.
I don't know if I.
I didn't even throw up.
No, I'm not doing that. Alright, guys, I'd say
Again, napkin.
6 out of 10 lawnmowers. Probably won't ever do this again.
I'll say.
Merry Thanksgiving.
I'll say 2 out of 10. I'll probably. I mean, I might do this again. I don't know. Maybe next year or something.
Honestly, I didn't even throw up. It really wasn't that. Is it on my glasses?
Yeah.